What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is part 2 of working on the step up. So we got the lip done. Might work on that a little bit else, but we're also gonna work on this landing a ton. So we have that landing over there that we're gonna use, and my dad, I think, is gonna get me some dirt with the tractor a little bit later. So yeah, let's get to work. The sheer amount of mud on my shoes right now, it's crazy. Getting a bunch of leaves, all that. Look at all that. Man. Load number 1. Whoa. Load number 2. So right now, I'm going to spread it out with this rake to what dimensions I want it to be. That rake right there, I'm going to spread it out with that to what dimensions I want the landing to be. Then we have some mulch over there that I might put on the base layer or cover of the landing, just so that way it's a little bit softer impact. So yeah, let's get to work. Alright guys, so my dad just put this, like, a lot of dirt out right now. Like kind of like a ton. So this is a comparison from the jump and the landing. So yeah, it's a lot of dirt. So first we're gonna rake that also out. When he put it there, he kind of like the landing's like crooked now. So I might have to dig that up and straighten it up, which kind of sucks. But yeah, it'll be fine. Alright guys, so I shaped it out. It's pretty good right now. Like, actually, like, way better. So I think I'm gonna pack it down and then do a couple test runs and maybe put some of that mulch on it over there. So yeah. Alright guys, so it's all packed down. So it looks really good actually now. So I think we're gonna do a couple test runs and then see if I need to build this jump up a little bit more. See how Okay, so I just tested it out. It's fine, but it definitely needs to be steeper because I can barely do a one-hander without, like, feeling sketchy. So I think I'm gonna make it steeper. Let's get to it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, make sure you put it in that comment section. Thanks for watching.